Today we are discussing about CRC, that is cyclic redundancy check. It is most widely used technique to check the errors. Both single bit and double bit errors can be detected. So let's take a dividend 10 10 10 10 10, and sometimes the divisor will be given in polynomial form. So here let's take a polynomial form. So we have to convert this divisor into binary. So for that, let's check the degree of this polynomial. It's 4. So let's expand this. X raised to 4, that is 1 x raised to 4 plus 1 x cube plus 0 x square plus 0 x raised to 1 plus 1 x raised to 0. Then take the coefficients 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this will be the divisor. It is 5 digits. Let's write it here. 10 10 10 10 10 10 is our dividend, and the divisor is 11001. When the divisor is given in binary, then append the bits by deleting one bit. That is, if there is 5 bits binary as divisor, then append only 5 minus 1, 4 bits here, that is 4 zeros, 0 0 0 0. Because along with this dividend, we will send this complete binary code to the receiver. Okay, then let's do the XOR operation for the division. We don't need the quotient, we only need the remainder. So as XOR operation, okay, we will write this here. And for XOR operation, we need to do is same value. For same value, we will give a 0, and for different value, a 1. That is 1 1. That is same value. So we will give a 0, and 0 1. It's different value. We will give a 1. This is different value, and this is same value. This is same value. So 0. And here it's 5 bits, and here it's 4 bits. So we will take a bit from there and put it here. So it's 5 bits now. Then again 1 1 0 0 1. We will check if it's same bit, it's a 0. And if it's a different bit, it will be a 1. So here there is only 1 bit. So we will put 4 bits from the dividend to here. It is 1 0 1 0. So 1 1 0 0 1. It's 0 0 0 1. Sorry, 1 1 is same bit 0, 1 1 same bit 0, 0 0 same bit 0, 1 0 different bit, it's a 1, and 0 1 it's a different bit, it's 1. Okay, and here it's only 2 bits, so we will put 3 bits from here, that is 0 0 0. So we got 1 1 0 0 0. So we are taking this 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, so here 0 0, here also same bits 0 0 and 0 1 for 1. Okay, then here a 0. There is only 2 bits here and we need a 5 bit. So this will be the remainder. So this remainder is given here. Here there is 6 bits and here there is only 4 bits. So it doesn't matter if there is 6 bits, we will give only 4 bits to here. So the code sent to the receiver will be 1010101010, and for this 4 bits it will be 0010. So this is the code sent to the receiver by the sender. That is, the remainder is appended to the dividend. And in the receiver side, the receiver will divide the code with 11001. That is, the receiver received this code, that is 1010101010, and this receiver will divide it with 11001. So let's divide it again. The same thing is considered here. For a same bit it's a 0 and for different bit it's a 1. So it's 1100. So 4 bits and here it's 5 bits. So a 0 from here and again 11001. Same bits it's a 0 and different bit it's a 1. 4 bits from here 1010 11001. Same bits it's a 0, different bits it's a 1, 2 bits only, so 3 more from here 11001, that is 0000 0, and here also 0. So that means there is no error in receiving. If the remainder gives you some other bits other than this 0, that means there is some error in receiving the data bits.